Alright, good job on the database. Number one. Now, we're going to load Concrete5 for the first time on your guys' server. For a lot of you, this is going to be your first server load. It's awesome, nothing to worry about. Let's get started. Alright, now first things first, you're going to need to get to your htdocs folder inside XAMPP, inside your C drive. Which again, sounds a lot more complicated than it actually is. Go to your start bar and just go to Computer. Double click on Local Disk C. Double click on XAMPP. And then double click on htdocs. Now here's the chance you have to put in your project folder. So you're going to select New Folder and call it whatever your project's name is. I'll just call this one Forum. Now you're going to go inside Forum, and this is called your project's root folder. Okay? So to load Concrete5 for the first time, we're going to go to that Concrete5 file that we downloaded. Here's my version that's already been unzipped. Make sure you unzip it if you have not yet done that. Going to double click again, copy all the information inside this folder, and then you're going to paste it inside your project's root folder, which again was the folder we just created. It's going to copy everything over. I should have written a small talk script while we're waiting for this to load. Yet I have nothing. Not even insurance agent or lawyer jokes. This is worse than being stuck in an elevator with somebody who you've met before but can't remember their name. For those of you watching, this would be a great time to take a break, get a glass of water real quick. I've got about 10 seconds left. And done. Fantastic. Alright, great. So now we see that our root folder is filled with Concrete5 folders, and these all hold files that put the CMS together for us, which is absolutely fantastic. Put that down for a second. We're going to go back into our web browser. I always do all my work in Firefox, so that's one that we'll put up here. Now, how do we actually load Concrete5 onto the server now that we've copied all the files over? That's an excellent question. We're going to go to localhost and then type in the name of your project's folder. Forum. Alright. Now as long as you've installed the latest version of Concrete5, as long as XAMPP has been turned on properly, which means you started Apache and MySQL, you should have all of these gone green. All these check marks should be green. Once that is all green, you're going to click Continue Installation. You want to give it your site's name, forum, your server, which again is localhost. Anytime you do any work on your computer, again, make sure you just call localhost. Easy to remember. Now your username and password, okay? Now this is going to be used to access the database. So that username and password we created earlier, make sure you wrote that down somewhere, or have just left open your phpMyAdmin box and you can see what it is. So my username is forum. My password is a secret. And the database name. The database name for me is Forum Project. Type in your email address. your password, and then confirm password. Now, you can include sample content with a blog if you want. We'll go ahead and do that so we've got something to work off of. Or you can make it empty. Choice is yours. And again, we'll wait. This loads much faster, though, I think, than we put in the actual files into our root folder. If you guys get really bored, you can go to blog.insurancebeanstalk.com and see all the really cool marketing stuff we have for you. How-to guides and great market direction. Alright, awesome. Congratulations to everybody. We are about to continue the first website you have put up completely on your own. This is Concrete5. This is, in our company's opinion, the most powerful content management system there is. Better than WordPress for websites. I know some people disagree with that, but better than WordPress for websites. So easy to use and features some amazing features like point-and-click editing. In fact, this is what we use to power the websites that we build for all of our clients that integrate into their marketing campaigns. Super easy, point-and-click. Alright, now, enough of that. We are going to now finish loading what's going to be our first theme, because we're going to be developing our first theme for Concrete5 as well today. And we are going to do that by going back in to our root folder. I'll give everybody a second to do that. Once you're in the root folder, you'll see this file path up top here to make sure you guys all are in the right place. You're going to go to Themes, and you're going to create a new folder in Themes. You're going to name this folder whatever you want your theme names to be. You know, it could be I Am Awesome, it could be the Pillow theme, whatever you want. Our naming convention is to name the themes of whatever template we're theming over, which is Business Worldwide Solutions. So that's what I'm going to call this theme. Ugh. Business Worldwide Solutions. This will be the theme path. It should actually all be lowercase for ease of use. Alright, excellent. Now inside Business Worldwide Solutions, let me close that, the AVG updates. Inside Business Worldwide Solutions, we're going to open up our template. Whatever you're theming over that you got from free-css.com. Going to open up your theme file, and you're going to move over the CSS sheet and the images. If there's any JavaScript or anything like that, you're going to want to move that folder over as well.